Hello mga kabahay, it's me again, your energetic property host, Mr. Kabahay, and today we are going to WV Towers, one of the new projects that we are going to advertise. And today we are here at Mega World and we're heading there, kaya stay tuned kasi malapit lang to sa Mega World. So let's go! At andito na nga tayo sa WV Towers. This is located at Barangay Pali, Mandurriao, so very close to Mega World. So this is the building. And as you can see, pagpasok mo pa lang may mini golf course na amenity, and this is the actual building. So pagdating, aura na si Mr. Kabahay. So we are already here sa Tower 1 at sa kabila yung Tower 2. But this is where the sales lounge is located. So magmi-meet up muna tayo kay Miss Kenny. So let's go. At papasok na nga tayo. Of course, there's a receptionist and dyan si Manong Security. And then this is Miss Kenny. Speaking of the best, the prettiest, the baddest, ayan, na sales director dito sa WV Towers, or sales head rather. Ayan, so pupunta na kami sa sales office because kailangan namin ng key, and for today's video, we are going to feature their 3-bedroom loft unit. So I'm super excited. At dito na nga tayo sa sales office ng WV Towers. So pagpasok, this is their office yan. Yung mga receiving area nila dyan for clients. So dito muna tayo mag-chill while waiting for the key. Ano mag-a-assist sa atin today is ang pinaka-cute na si Miss Kate sa sales. Ayan, so na-surprise siya kasi sabi ko vlog to. Akala niya nag-video-video lang ako. So we already got the key, guys. So now we're heading to Tower 2 because doon located yung 3-bedrooms loft. So tara na, I'm so excited. So wag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Simulan na natin yung tour na to kasi alam ko namang mainipin kayo. So upon entering, ayan yung kitchen natin, and then this is your living area. Ayan, may sliding door going to, ayan, may mini garden doon sa likod. So wala na kayong katabi dyan, firewall na lang. Ayan, so right now, punta naman tayo dito at high ceiling siya, guys. Super high. Yan yung CR pero locked. Ito yung isang room sa baba. So kung gusto mo office to or kwarto, depende sa'yo. Ayan, so may sliding na din siya. Ayan, so kailangan lang ng linisin yung glass, guys. So sa likod pala ng pintuan na yan, yan din yung another door going to the CR. Doon sa ilalim kanina. Now, let's go upstairs. Dito yung 2 bedrooms naman. So, pagdating mo sa taas, yung unang makita, CR talaga. So, ito yung second na CR sa taas. Tapos, ito yung first bedroom din sa taas. Ayan. So, may sliding door then. Tsaka naka-tempered na yan, guys, yung glass. Tapos, may balcony. Ayan. Drama-drama tayo muna. Charing. So, ngayon, pumunta na tayo sa 2nd bedroom sa kabila. Ayan. So, ang galing ni Miss Kate mag-video. And this is our 3rd bedroom. So, nakasamay furnished na siya. May glass sliding door din ulit. That's tempered at may balcony. So, you have 2 balconies, guys. So, dito na nagtatapos ang ating tour. So, if you're interested, message me this number below and I'll see you here. Bye!